These floors are so dirty. Good thing I know how to use this broom. I gotta show Karma what a great job I did sweeping the floor. Karma! Karma! Come here, boy! Karma! Come see the clean floor! I swept it myself! Wait. Karma? Karma usually comes when I call him. Maybe he's playing hide and go seek. Ready or not, here I come. Karma. Karma? Gotcha! Karma? 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 Where are you, boy? Maybe you went outside to play. Karma. Oh no! Could Karma be missing? If Karma is missing, well then doggone it, no pun intended guys, we're gonna find him. I'll just draw a picture of him so people can identify him easily. Perfect. Now I'll just put a description. Now how about a reward? Let's see how much money I have. Not much in here. Oh, I have an idea. Yes! I'm sure Daddy won't mind covering the reward. Okay, now I'll just add the reward to the poster. Perfect! Now I gotta hang these up everywhere! Now all that's left to do is wait. This could take a while. Hey guys, Ollie here. Thanks for watching this week's video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to BabyLeague for new videos every week. Remember, you can catch me and my family every day on youtube.com/dailybumps. See you next week. Hopefully we can find Karma by then.